Pag-usapan naman natin ngayon kung paano isolve ang discriminant. Ang discriminant ay nandito lang sa loob ng quadratic formula. Yun po yung nandito sa loob ng radical sign. So, discriminant is equal to, kung ano yung nandito sa loob, b square minus 4ac. So, yan po yung formula ng discriminant. At ginagamit natin or kinukuha natin yung discriminant ng isang quadratic equation para ma-identify natin kung ano yung nature ng roots nito. Kung ito ba ay real or imaginary, rational or irrational, or equal or unequal. Simulan natin dito sa example number 1. So, using this formula, we have d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Kapag ang quadratic equation ay nakasulat na in standard form, ang first term natin or quadratic term, that is a, second term, doon manggagaling ang b, at ang third term naman, doon manggagaling ang c. So, kung ano yung numerical coefficient ng bawat term na yan, yun yung value na tinutukoy dito. So, kapag nag-substitute tayo, yung b na tinutukoy dito sa formula ay manggagaling sa numerical coefficient ng second term, which is 6. So, papalitan lang natin yan ng 6. And then, kopyahin lang natin yung square. Minus 4, galing yun sa formula, constant. A, ano yung numerical coefficient ng A? So, since hindi natin nakikita yung numerical coefficient na kasama itong x square, automatic meron niyang 1. So, ang value ng A natin ay 1. And for C naman, meron tayong constant na 9. And then, solve lang natin. 6 square, that's 6 times 6, which is equal to 36. Minus, so that's negative 4 times 1, negative 4 pa rin yun, times 9, that will be negative 36. Ito na yung negative sign, and then 36. Now, we have 36 minus 36, that will be equal to 0. So, ang discriminant ng quadratic equation na to ay 0. So, later on, sa bandang dulong part ng discussion natin, i-identify natin kung ano yung nature ng roots base doon sa value ng discriminant. Now, try naman natin itong pangalawa. We have x squared plus 2x minus 15 equals 0. So, tandaan lang, kapag naka-standard form na, automatic, yung first term ang A, second term ang B, third term ang C. So, using the formula, we have d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Palitan lang po natin yung value. Ang b natin, ang numerical coefficient ay positive 2. So, that will be 2 and then copy the exponent 2 from the formula. Minus 4, that's constant. And then a and c, numerical coefficient ng a ay 1. At ang constant naman natin ay negative 15. Solve. So, 2 squared, that is equal to 4. And then, negative 4 times 1, that's negative 4. And then, negative 4 times negative 15, magiging positive na siya kasi dalawang negative sign. And 4 times 15 is 60. Then, combine. 4 plus 60, that is equal to 64. How about number 3? So, we have x squared plus 6x plus 3 equals 0. A, B, and C. Palitan lang natin from the formula of discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. b square, ang b natin dito ay 6. So, that will be 6 and then square minus 4, constant ng formula. And then, a naman natin ay 1, while yung c naman natin ay 3. Okay. Then, solve. 6 squared, that's 6 times 6, so that is equal to 36. And then negative 4 times 1, that's negative 4 times 3, that is negative 12. So now we have 36 minus 12. 36 minus 12 is equal to 24. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Ang b natin this time, yung second term natin ay negative 5. Tandaan lang na kapag hindi siya naka-arrange in standard form, kailangan nyo muna siyang i-rearrange na dapat yung quadratic term ang mauuna, followed by the linear term, and then last yung constant. So dito, naka-arrange na siya, kaya automatic yung second term natin yun yung b. And then negative 5 yon, lagyan lang natin ng square. Minus 4, ang a natin is 1, ang c naman ay 7. Then continue. Negative 5 square, so that's negative 5 times negative 5 will give us 25. And then we'll have here negative 4 times 1, that's negative 4, times positive 7, that will be negative 28. And then solve. So 25 minus 28 will get negative 3 as our answers. So ang discriminant ng bawat quadratic equation na to, we have 0 for number 1, 64 sa 2, 24 sa 3, and then negative 3 naman sa 4. Alamin natin kung ano ang nature ng roots, depende sa naging resulta. So kapag ang discriminant natin ay greater than 0 at perfect square, so ibig sabihin kapag sinabing perfect square, yun yung nagre-resulta ng number na in-square. Halimbawa, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 4 is a perfect square. So kapag ganun daw, ang nature ng roots ay real, rational, and unequal. Kapag naman greater than 0 din siya, pero hindi siya perfect square, ang nature ng roots naman niya ay real, irrational, and unequal. Kapag eksaktong 0 ang naging discriminant natin, ang nature ng roots naman natin ay real, rational, and equal. But if discriminant is less than 0 or negative yung naging resulta, wala siyang real roots. It has no real roots. So kanina, ito yung mga sinolve natin na quadratic equation. Sa number 1, ang naging sagot ay 0. So it means that ang nature ng roots ng x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 0 ay real, rational, and equal. Sa number 2 naman, 64. So 64 is a perfect square. So dito siya sa unang part. It means that ang x squared plus 2x minus 15 equals 0 ay real, rational, and unequal. Sa number 3 naman, greater than 0 ito, but 24 is not a perfect square. So hindi siya perfect square. It means ang nature niya ay real, irrational, and unequal. And for the last one, sa number 4, negative ang naging sagot natin. So it means ang x squared minus 5x plus 7 equals 0 ay walang real roots or no real roots.